Welcome back to Tracking Harvey, the 8th named system of the 2017 Atlantic hurricane season. It was downgraded to a tropical depression on Saturday afternoon. The remnants of former tropical storm Harvey will continue to track westward through the Caribbean Sea and possibly into the Bay of Campeche, where a regeneration of the system could occur this week. Hostile winds shredded Harvey apart on Saturday, and what is left of Harvey is a cluster of showers and thunderstorm activity to the southeast of Jamaica, which has become more concentrated as of Sunday morning. Through Monday, Harvey is forecast to enter the Western Caribbean, where conditions could be somewhat conducive for the gradual reorganization of the system as it moves west-northwest. Heavy rain from the system could cause flooding in Central America and the Yucatan Peninsula by Monday or Tuesday, regardless of whether Harvey can reform prior to reaching those landforms. Harvey had weakened to become a tropical depression on Saturday. Remember, I told you that it was a very minimal tropical storm. As of 5 a.m. Sunday morning, the system was centered about 140 miles or 225 kilometers north-northwest of Curacao and was heading west at 22 miles per hour, which is 35 kilometers per hour. And as I said, that is a fairly quick forward motion. The storm has maximum sustained winds of 35 miles per hour. Well, the tropical depression, that is, which is a 5 miles per hour drop off compared to Saturday morning. However, there is a likelihood that some slow strengthening is possible during the next couple of days, and Harvey could regain tropical storm status Sunday afternoon or Sunday night. A turn towards the west-northwest is expected Sunday night or Monday. On the forecast track, the center of Harvey could move across the Central and Western Caribbean Sea throughout Monday. So guys, taking a look at the satellite imagery, it is evident that the system is not as organized as it was yesterday, as upper level winds would have shredded the system to bits and it would have lost some of its organization and has dissipated into a tropical depression. However, you will realize that there's a vast area of precipitation still accompanying the system, and further strengthening or reorganization is a possibility as the day progresses. And even though it is not as strong as it was yesterday, it is now packing maximum sustained winds of about 35 miles per hour, while it was packing 40 miles per hour yesterday. It is still moving very fast at 22 miles per hour. What we see now is that the outer bands, the spiral bands, are still extending into the Northern Caribbean, and as such, as the system moves to the west, it will start to influence weather conditions over Jamaica more and more. So we are still expecting to receive a fair amount of rainfall, hopefully not too much, and as the system continues to sort out itself, it might even move further away from us, so we're not entirely sure. Out here in the Northern Atlantic, we're seeing another area of weather, disturbed weather. It is called Invest 92L or L92, I think. So that one is being monitored and might be upgraded to a tropical depression soon. So the situation for Harvey is that it is not a tropical storm at this point in time. It has lost some of its organization, and there's no solid cluster in the center as it was yesterday, and the classic rotation movement is not really occurring. The situation is still the same for Jamaica. We should expect a bit of rain, probably not as much as was anticipated, but we'll see how it goes. So guys, those persons who are along the south coast especially, and all marine interests and persons who are involved in fishing, should exercise extreme caution, and they probably should not venture out at sea. And persons who live in low-lying flood-prone areas along the south coast should also be paying attention to the system as it moves across the Caribbean. So no cause for alarm, but we should be getting some rainfall. At this point in time, it is overcast outside, slightly drizzling, but nothing major. You understand? It's very cool. Thank God for that. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.